welcome back to day 9 of my December daily. I feel like I haven't been here for a while. Things kind of got busy with back to school and Valentine's, and honestly for this particular layout I was really stumped what to do. I wanted to do something a little more fun and interactive and something beyond just sliding things in pockets. And because I am working outside of a plastic page today, I'm working with the full left side here, and I'm working on this flip out heart. So it took me a while to figure out what I wanted to put in here. The first thing I thought was my journaling would be in here. But then I thought, no, I think another photo would look nice. And I ended up doing my journaling on this nice tall 3x8. This was from the 3x8 collection that Ali gave this year, and I love them. There's so many beautiful tags. I just had to use one. And I figured I'd show you like this. I use washi tape to tape it on, and then I feed it through my printer that way. So I have my journaling. I traced out this heart so I know what size I need to put in the center. So it's kind of like my stencil. I just used some old paper from past years to make that stencil. And then I pulled out a number 9. Fun transparent circle for this year and a star from this year. So we'll see what we do with that. And I also have the main photo for the left side. And what I like to do is print it just slightly larger than this. And then that way I can trace it out. And it's not an exact measurement, but it doesn't bother me having a little bit lost when I cut it on. So I have my photo for that. I have some vellum I thought I would put over top. We'll see what we do with that. And then I also have this fun mosaic collage that I did in Picasa. And when I measured this heart, it measured 5 3/4, and then from tip to tip it was 6. So I figured that's pretty well 6x6 square size. So I made a 6x6 collage, and basically it was just a progression of how the evening went. It kind of started out like kind of a nice pink haze, and then I kept calling over my family and I'm like, guys, come on, it's looking nicer. It looks even better now. And eventually, like later in the evening, we get to the beautiful pinks and purples and just beautiful sunset that I wanted to include. And then just to finish my mosaic, I have one later that morning of all the snow covering the trees, and then the moon against the branches I thought was really nice. So basically any nature photo I had, I included it in this mosaic, and that's what's going to be inside this heart. So as always, I'm not quite sure how it's all gonna come together. Those are just my ideas. And I used some of Ali's words and just did a digital printout and then a little star for the Christmas. So let's go ahead and put this in fast forward and we'll get started. And one last thing I wanted to show you was the other side of this transparency. This transparency was a striped pattern from Felicity Jane. And I thought that the reds went with the reds in this prep party tutorial and the nice pinks. It really complements each other well. I used a lot of L Studio papers. I also used a transparent vellum copper polka dots. I used some shimmery paper, and I also used some felt paper, and I love all the different textures to it. On the other side is a bunch of Starbucks cups. I've got 3 different designs, actually 4. This is the larger stripe. So I have the 4 different design cups, and it says celebrate. And inside each, I have written the kids' favorite gift that they've gotten in the past. So Cole's favorite gift in 2019 was the Mandalorian Lifesaver. And then in 2018, his favorite was BB-8 that he got. We're huge Star Wars fans. My favorite was the Spice Rack back in 2003. So those are all our favorites. And then I did some journaling to go along with it to stick in this little pocket page over here. And basically it just talks about going to Starbucks. I wrote, for the longest time we have been wanting to try a new festive drink from Starbucks. Every Christmas we try one new item. The last time we went, we ordered the peppermint mocha. We shared a large, and as much as I don't like mint toothpaste mixed with chocolate, we did enjoy the candy cane taste. Unfortunately, the candy bits on top made it feel like grit in our mouths. For a hot chocolate type drink, I like to have a rich, smooth feel. The next time we went in, I asked the lady who was working what the most popular drink of choice was this time of year, and she said emphatically that it was the chestnut praline latte. It was so good. So I try to do some type of drink layout, whether it be from Tim Hortons or Starbucks, and it was kind of this nice banner layout that I saw going around the group, and I wanted to give it a try. Well, that's everything for today. For the next layout, it will be day 10, and I have another citrus twist plastic, and then the other side of this tag, I'm going to be working with Allie's bucket list freebie that came along with if you purchase the prep party. I love the prep party so much. You get a little bit of free digital items along with your purchase. It's so worth the $5 and the fun that you have together. So I'll elaborate more on this layout when I do day 10. And then I will also share day 11. And I did a process video of day 11 already. And yeah, we're slowly getting there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.